Do your intro, bro.
Oh, why?
Just do it. We're starting the bike vlog.
Oh, the bike vlog? Hello, everybody. This is Gabriel Gagnon here, and today we are going to do a bike vlog.
Flip the high roller gaming, so we're cool people who's doing this. Hashtag YOLO, and you guys suck, so.
If we could add a special... Come on, don't hate on my fans.
Okay, I'm gonna, I'll be right back after I put my shoes on. So okay, we're back. My PC's in the backpack. You'll see it from our video. There's my bike.
Charlie, I have a
There's the other guy's bike, Braden. There's Braden's bike.
I can plug in from my bike is another over there. Go check out my bike.
Okay.
A green one.
There's bikes. The green one you can see hidden right there. That's his bike right there. So there's the other boy.
My shoe's in a knot. How am I supposed to get out of here?
Are you vlogging?
And a little bit when I get my shoe undone.
Okay. Just slip it on like I do.
Dude, my shoe, it's in a knot. How am I supposed to slip it on? There, finally, stupid shoe.
Okay, we'll be back and see if he succeeds. He succeeded tying his shoe.
Yeah. I'm gonna start my vlog in a minute.
Our vlog's so sucky, man. Like we're uploading our first vlog. Like 5 minutes ago, we ended our first vlog. So vlog, whatever. Jeez Louise, get your bike.
I can only record for 15 minutes, remember?
Huh?
I can only record for a total of 15 minutes.
Okay, get your bike. No, Gabriel Gagnon. That's his vlogging channel. There's Lincoln, my cousin. Say hello. Wave your hand. You better not call me butthole.
I'm from Boy and Girl Channel. Anyways, I haven't made no videos yet.
Okay.
So no subscribers yet either.
No subs. I got 4 subs. So
Keep track of the time. 15.
we're gonna start going like right now. So
We're gonna have to head down a hill. So
not Polk Hill, but let's go.
not Polk.
I'm riding my bike.
If we start heading down the hill, I'm gonna stop the vlog because I might wreck on the way down there.
Woo! I gotta have my hand on the brake. Holy crap! Here. We're gonna be back.
Did you pause it? Yeah. Lincoln and Alex want to come.
Okay, we'll be back.
It's the girly gamer.
Let's go. You guys don't even have a video on it, so he'll subscribe because he's a girly gamer himself. Like.
I just like peanuts. I'm not a douchebag.
Okay, screw you guys. We're going down the hill.
Dude, we have a whole gang.
Cruising down the street. All right.
Gang. Show them the gang. Put it in the pocket.
The gang, man.
Okay, pause the video. Put it in the pocket.
Holy crap, we're going so fast. I don't know how fast I'm going, man. I'm dead serious here. We're going down to my house. Like, so I'm dead serious, like. So we're going down. Where's the other game? Where's the other game of our channel? What the hell, man?
Dude, Lincoln fell behind. Somebody delete some of these vlogs.
What the hell? We got that on video.
Yeah.
I almost got hit. Gabe, I literally almost got hit. And the good thing is, I got it on video just in case she hits me.
Alright, my vlog ended for some reason. I don't know why, but...
Okay, let's go down my house. You're a puke, man.
Go down this road. Wow, number 1 time. Yeah, he did it.
This is the gang, boys. The gang. And the best thing is we all have our own YouTube channel besides me and him. It's like GTA 5 and recording backwards. So I'll pause it. I'll pause it back. We're finally back. My house. This is where the magic of our channel happens right here, guys. Literally, this is literally where all the magic to our channel happens. This is our channel. This is our channel's freaking. This is basically our gang house right now, boy. I'll pause it.
I'm cursed.
We're at a bar. Let's see if I can open this one-handed.
You can't. Here, let me.
Wait, no.
There goes his hat. Dude, I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty.
First person drinking in real life. So, bye, bitch.